Thank you for joining us today, guys. For the next few days, we're going to be exploring one of Mexico's most historical cities, Valladolid. Oh, hey guys. Man, I didn't even notice I was recording. I'm just getting ready for my day here. Eggs and rice, the food of the gods. Today we are in Valladolid, and that's in the Yucatan state in Mexico. We went way into the jungle, and some of you have probably been to Valladolid because it's a popular destination. We got Chichen Itza over here, right over there, just right there. No, I'm joking, it's like whatever, 30-minute drive or something like that. When you take tours from Cancun, you can sometimes go to Valladolid, and then you go over to Chichen Itza and check that out. So that's really popular, a lot of people have done it. But we're here for 4 days. We're gonna explore this town like thoroughly. Go up to the town center, see all the old churches. For those that don't know, Valladolid is quite a historical place. It was founded in the 1500s, but it goes back far beyond that. I think my nipple is showing. Oh, anyways, I feel embarrassed now. Oh man. Such is life, just full of embarrassment, you know what I mean? Just full of embarrassment. Stay tuned. During our stay in Valladolid, we decided to go a little more budget friendly. And as you can see on this tour, it's a nice little row of colorful apartments. I'll put the price of this place up on the screen. And as always, you'll find a link in the description in case you want to rent it yourself. The place really had everything we needed. It was fully equipped, and it was just a short distance from Centro. So after wandering around town for a bit, we came to the Parque Principal Francisco Canton Rosado, which is basically the plaza. Here you're going to find some historical sites like the Templo de San Servacio. And this church was constructed in 1545 using the stones of an ancient Mayan temple. And in fact, the city goes back thousands of years before Spanish colonization to the ancient Mayan city of Zaqui. In the plaza is where you're going to find a lot of the action. This is where you can get some snacks and some popsicles. Yay! In the evening at the plaza, they have this amazing projection show where the facade of the church becomes a giant movie screen. And it basically teaches you a history lesson about the Mayans. It was honestly probably one of the top 49 things I've ever seen. Other than that, sit back and enjoy this. Toodles!